This is the ASUS TUF Gaming T500, and on paper, it sounds like the perfect answer to a question a lot of gamers are asking right now. Can I get a solid gaming PC without paying custom build prices? ASUS says this compact desktop delivers console-level simplicity with real PC power. But after digging into real-world testing and expert reviews, I found a few things they don't exactly highlight in the marketing. So, is this a hidden gem or a compromise machine? Let's talk. ASUS TUF Gaming T500 Product Overview. So, what exactly are we looking at here? This is the ASUS TUF Gaming T500, a pre-built gaming desktop from ASUS, officially released in 2023, part of their TUF Gaming lineup. It's designed for mainstream gamers, people who want reliable 1080p or entry-level 1440p gaming without building a PC from scratch. Depending on the configuration, you're getting Intel Core i5 or i7 CPUs paired with NVIDIA RTX 3050 or RTX 3060 GPUs, DDR4 RAM, and NVMe storage. The big selling point? A compact military-inspired chassis, ASUS's durability branding, and the promise of plug-it-in and game convenience without the flashy, over-the-top gamer aesthetic. ASUS TUF Gaming T500 Performance. In real-world gaming tests reported by outlets and user benchmarks, the T500 performs right where you'd expect for its class. With the RTX 3060 configuration, modern titles like Call of Duty Warzone, Apex Legends, and Fortnite comfortably run at 1080p high settings, often well above 100 FPS. Even heavier games like Cyberpunk 2077 are totally playable with DLSS turned on. What surprised me, in a good way, is consistency. Frame pacing is solid, thermals stay under control, and you're not dealing with random stutters during long gaming sessions. For everyday stuff like browsing, streaming, and light content creation, it's fast and responsive. Now, here's the thing. It's not a workstation beast. Heavy 4K video editing or massive Blender renders will push it hard. But for gaming-first users, this thing does exactly what it promises, without drama. Features and tech. First up, the ASUS TUF Gaming Chassis. This isn't just branding. The case is compact, sturdy, and designed for durability. ASUS markets it with military-grade testing standards, and while that sounds dramatic, the real benefit is peace of mind. This PC feels tough, not flimsy. Second, RTX graphics with DLSS. This is huge. DLSS means you can squeeze more performance out of demanding games without sacrificing visual quality. In practice, that means smoother gameplay today and better longevity over the next few years. Third, toolless internal design. If you're new to PCs, this matters. Upgrading RAM or storage is straightforward, which makes this a good starter system that can grow with you. And finally, Wi-Fi 6 and modern I/O. Fast wireless, plenty of USB ports, and HDMI and DisplayPort support mean it slots easily into a modern gaming setup. No adapters, no headaches. Design and build. Aesthetically, ASUS went for a more restrained gamer look, and I actually love that. The T500 has sharp angular lines with subtle RGB lighting, not a full rainbow explosion. It fits just as well on a desk as it does under one. The chassis feels solid with a metal side panel and well-placed ventilation. It's also smaller than most mid-tower desktops, which is great if you're tight on space. Ergonomically, everything makes sense. Ports are easy to reach. Thermals and noise. One thing people worry about with compact pre-builts is heat, and that's fair. The good news, the T500 handles thermals pretty well. Reviews show CPU and GPU temps staying within safe ranges, even during extended gaming sessions. Fan noise does ramp up under load, but it's more of a steady whoosh than an annoying whine. With headphones on, you'll barely notice it. For a small-form gaming desktop, that's a win. Pros: strong 1080p and entry-level 1440p gaming performance. Solid, tough gaming build quality. RTX graphics with DLSS for future-proofing. Cons: power supply isn't enthusiast grade. Pricing can be high compared to DIY builds. Final verdict. Look, if you're a console gamer moving to PC or someone who just wants reliable, no-fuss gaming, this is a really solid option. You get dependable performance, modern features, and ASUS build quality without needing to know how to build a PC from scratch. But if you're a hardcore enthusiast who loves swapping GPUs every year or overclocking everything in sight, you might feel limited here, and a custom build could make more sense.